to Chaos Tactical. I am the master of chaos, but you can call me Chaos on account of the informal situation. And today, I'm going to show you the difference in power between a 22 long rifle, a 22 Magnum, a 9mm, a 45, and then a 223 to show why a rifle is always the best option to stop a threat. So, P22, 22 LR first. Minuscule damage. Minuscule. Look, I'm pretty sure the round didn't even come out. That's very... Oh no, look, it came out the side. It went in there and came out the side. How? I don't know. All right, now we're gonna do the 22 Magnum. Through and through, much better, but still, it's a through and through. Now I'm going to show you 9mm. Leaking everywhere, and that's why, look at that. Now I'm going to show you the 45. Look at that. That's a big ass hole. That's why I carry a 45. But now let me show you why a rifle is the go-to. This is a 223 5.56. Straight through both sides, no problem. But that was a little underwhelming. I was really expecting the 223 with so much power to do a lot more. But that's why I wanted to show you this video. Maybe it's better to use a 45. I don't know. That seems to be a lot less damage than what the 45 did. But as always, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more chaos.